Good evening, friends. I had been always planning to deliver a talk on my favorite topic, that is the control of electric motors, especially direct torque control. As we all know that electric vehicles and electric vehicular technology is one of the most foremost, hottest topic of research. And you may be aware that Tesla, which is owned by Elon Musk, uses the technology of direct torque control for the control of its electric cars. And for my master's students, there is a subject in their first semester that is dynamic modeling and simulation of electric machines. So I'm going to plan a lecture on direct torque control, starting from scratch, the mathematical equations, and finally I'm going to develop the experimental setup which involves hardware in loop control that can be used for the real time validation of the direct torque control algorithm as you are seeing in this slide. So I hope you will enjoy this lecture. So please visit my channel for the forthcoming lectures on the development of a direct torque control strategy, its MATLAB simulation, and finally developing an hardware using hardware in loop control using D space controller. So thank you very much.